YouTube, what is going on? Officially back after like a 3-week delay. Sorry about that. Just want to run you guys through a couple things. Been very busy with work, trying to stay very consistent, still going through 75 hard and everything like that. I think I'm on day 33 or 34, one of those two. All I know is the day doesn't matter. I know when I end, and it's the 1st of January. That is my last official day, so the very first day of 2023, which is very exciting. Super pumped about that. But today I'm going to do something a little different. So I'm going to take you guys along with me today to go hit this beast shoulder workout. Should be a good one. I'm very excited. I'm not going to my normal home gym. So if you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you guys always see me at my sister and brother-in-law's house hitting a workout there at their home gym because it's badass and it's literally fucking 5 minutes down the road. So I am actually going to my actual gym, Crunch, which is in Johns Creek. For those of you who don't know, I live in Buford, Georgia. That's a little bit north of Atlanta. Johns Creek is probably about 20-30 minutes depending on the drive. I just really like the gym. They have a lot of great equipment, so shout out to Crunch Johns Creek. And yeah, I just wanted to get back on here. I'm going to be very, 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 very consistent with this because I know two biggest platforms I really want to grow on are Instagram and YouTube. Those are the two biggest things because I feel like in the fitness community, I just been researching and doing a lot of homework on this, and I always see these guys. I see YouTube and things like that. I mean, not YouTube. I see TikTok and things like that, and it's pretty great. But the ones I really want to focus on are YouTube, especially. That's probably what I want to be my number one. So instead of doing one post a week, I'm going to try to post as much as I can. You know, maybe 2-3 times a week. I'm gonna get some editing software so that way these videos look a little bit more aesthetically appealing to you guys, because everything I'm shooting is just for my iPhone. I'm just starting out. This is gonna be, I think I want to call it the up and coming YouTube or Instagram or social media influencer is probably what I call it, the up and coming influencer series, just because that's what I am. I'm not big right now. I don't claim to be big. I don't claim to be an expert at any of this stuff, but you know, I've been very consistent on Instagram and TikTok, posting every day for at least a month now. We're going to continue that, at least a post today. I want to get you guys these workouts because my goal is just to help you guys out. Like I said, my goal is just to help you guys find time that you feel like you don't have, so that way you can crush your fitness and health goals. Because I'm not working out for long periods of times. I really think when I go into a normalized gym, I might start working out for at least an hour and a half, because that's kind of like my good threshold. But right now I'm just banging out good hour, 45 minutes to an hour workout, and I really enjoy it. I get a great pump in. I get a great workout. I'm super sore yesterday from yesterday's back workout. If you haven't checked that out, go to my Instagram, and yeah, let's get into it. And you know, last but not least, before I get driving and going here, because I got to stop by my sister's house to get my tripod because I forgot it over there. Please follow me along with this journey. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, and let's get it going.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Make that morning, start to shake it, shake that morning. Work that morning, baby, work that morning, baby, work your morning, baby, get it, baby, work your morning, baby, Make that morning, start to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Make the morning shake it. Make the morning shake it. Shake that morning. Work that morning, baby. Work that morning, baby. Work it, 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 work that morning, baby. Work that morning, baby. Work that morning. Come on.
All right, so we just crushed that shoulder workout. If you're interested in what I was doing, you can always follow along with me on my Instagram stories. So biggest thing and takeaway from that is I haven't been in the sauna in quite some time, and I absolutely love that thing. So I was just in there for 15 minutes, but it feels good. It helps with recovery, your joints and everything like that. Plus, if you're cutting, just to get extra water weight out with sweat and things like that. So it's really beneficial. It's beneficial for your skin. In just a lot of ways. So I really enjoy it, but absolutely murdered that shoulder workout. Still sad I can't do legs. My Achilles is sadly still messed up, but we'll get through it. But biggest thing is, if you want to follow along, you know I always post everything on my Instagram stories, so you can flip through those, see exactly what I'm doing, and then I use my reels to go ahead and post the exact structure of how I break down that workout with reps, sets, if there's any drop sets, things like that. So just follow along with that. But yeah, absolutely murdered it. Super excited, and I'm going to post this stuff soon. All right, so my post-workout meal is right here. So as you can see, I got a big bowl of pasta. I got some chicken breast and some vodka sauce. So I am half Italian, so I absolutely love pasta. It's probably my favorite meal, so I always incorporate this. The best thing about meal prepping and everything like that is you don't really have to cut anything out. Really all you need to focus is just based off of your macros, calories, and things like that. I am not somebody who believes in cutting things out like breads, pastas, rice, going keto, just because it's not my thing. I don't want to cut out foods that I like. And it makes meal prepping and eating this stuff really easy. I would also say something that's really different about me is I could literally eat chicken and rice all day. It doesn't bother me. I mean, I grew up in Hawaii for 6 years, so I absolutely love that stuff. So it's easy for me to eat because I've grown up eating that stuff. But just to break down what this is, so what I buy, and I'll post some pictures on this as well. And what I buy for my pasta is, I don't cook this pasta. I mean, kind of. But I don't really cook it. I buy Berea or Kroger brand ready pasta. I throw it in the microwave for 60 seconds, and that's literally it. And then I buy pre-cooked char-grilled chicken from Sam's Club. This chicken breast is 210 calories for each chicken breast. So I have 2 post-workout, and today is my high-carb day. So I'm having a shit ton of carbs, which I'm super happy about. So thank God it's Saturday. So how my meal plan... meal plan breaks down. Excuse me, I just fumbled on my words really bad. But how my meal plan and day-to-day works is Monday, I have low carb. Tuesday, low carb. Wednesday, high carb. And then I do the same thing Thursday, low, Friday, low, Saturday, high carb. Sunday, I have absolutely no carbs. So that is my carb cycle for my meal prep and everything like that. It makes it really easy to follow. I used to do it before where I would like lose a certain amount of pounds, like I think it was like 4 pounds, and then I would have a refeed day or a high carb day. Now I'm just making it really easy because I don't want to spend all the time weighing myself and doing the day-to-day stuff because it's very monotonous and things like that. And I know to be successful, monotony is just something you have to get through. But for me, what works really, really well is just making things super, super simple. Not meal prepping, because the thing is I hate doing the most is meal prepping and cleaning dishes. Now I still clean dishes and things like that, but I don't have to meal prep anymore. I just go ahead and throw these meals in a container and go about my day. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and crush this food because I'm really, really hungry. And yeah, thank you so much. All right, guys, I wanted to say thank you so much for following along with this video. Like I said, I want to be very, very consistent with YouTube, probably more than the other social media platforms, just because I feel like it's a more open way for me to get out everything about me. So you can learn more about who Matt Mazza is, what I do on a day-to-day basis, and just figure out ways that not only I can help you, but how you can help me. Because like I said, this is my come up. This is like the way that this is the way that I'm going to be successful in YouTube and social media, period. Because this is what I'm really passionate about. It's what I want to do for a living, and I can't wait for the growth and everything like that. And yeah, I'm just really excited about this journey and excited to share this along with you. So I still got a couple more things to do for 75 Hard. Today I just got to go for a walk and read, and that's it. But I'm going to wrap this video up. I just wanted to say thank you again for everybody who's been following along with these videos. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and I can't wait for what's to come. I can't wait for the future, but I'm just enjoying the process as it goes right now. Consistency is king in everything I do, and I might lose motivation later on, but the biggest thing to me is just staying consistent, and even when I don't want to do something, I just got to make myself do it. So just doing the things that we say we're going to do is so important in life. But thank you again. If you haven't already, please, please, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button. And yeah, thank you so much. Y'all have a great night.